welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. Now, Walgreens is kind of a slow week this week, but there are some pretty good deals. There are some Ibotta deals if you guys are interested in it, and a lot of Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is awesome lately. If you guys haven't joined Fetch Rewards, or you're not sure what it is, it's just an app where you scan your receipts, mostly grocery receipts. So anytime you shop at Walgreens, CVS, Target, Walmart, any of those kind of stores, scan your receipt and you guys will get points. Now, if there's no points available, you guys will get literally about 25 points to just scan your receipt. And once you hit 1,000, that's a dollar. But when you guys buy certain brands of products, you guys get extra bonus points. So that is awesome. What I usually do is I save my points to use for Christmas. That's how I get a free Christmas. So what I do is I redeem gift cards around Christmas time, and then that's how I buy my Christmas gifts. So I get everything for free. So that's awesome. But if you guys haven't joined Fetch, and if you're interested, I do have a referral link below. Now it changes. Sometimes you get $200 or 2,000 points if you guys click my referral link, or you can get 3,000 or 4,000. It is different depending on when you guys watch this video, but definitely do it so you guys can get free money. That's $2,000, $3,000, 3,000 points, or $2 or $3 that you guys can get for free. So the first deal that I absolutely love is the Cadbury Deal. I love Cadbury cream. I've been craving these. I've been craving these for like years, and then when I buy them, I'm just like, eh. But then, like, lately, I just, like, that's all I want. And then the husband takes mine because, you know, he wants them too. And I'm like, no, 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 no. We don't take pregnant girls, you know, candy. But he takes them anyways, and he knows better. So I had to buy some more. So these were 4 for $3. Now, it's the Cadbury eggs and the Reese's eggs, if you guys want to do that. I get Reese's all the time. I don't get Cadbury's very much. But these were 4 for $3. Now, there is a $1 off of 4 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, or IVC booklet. Now, if you guys aren't sure about this, if you guys clip stuff to your card, if it says you get like $1 off with card, that pretty much means it's the Walgreens booklet. Now, if you guys use it, if you clip it to your card and you use it online, that's only one deal only. That's why I like physically using the book, because I can use the book as many times as I want. Not trying to confuse you guys, but usually when you clip it to your card, it's one time, that's it. But if you use the book, you can do as many times as you want. So you guys will get these for 50 cents a piece, which is a pretty good deal. I went to, God, I don't even know where I went, CVS, when they were not on sale. They wanted like $1 something for these. I'm like, that's a ripoff, but now they're on sale. But 50 cents a piece, I think that's a pretty good deal. So, and you guys can mix and match whatever you guys want. For that, I ended up getting Scott's paper towels, and I got Scott's bath tissue. I use these like crazy. I have these a lot in my stockpile. Now these are $5, always going to be $5. This is going to be this price all month long. So if you guys miss this deal now, there'll be other deals. But there are $1 off coupons off the Scott's website. I know there used to be 50 cents and sometimes 75 cents. Otherwise, if you try a different email, you might get a different money. But I ended up having $1 off coupons to print off. So there's also a $1.25 coupon also in the Walgreens booklet that you guys want to use. So you guys will get these for $2.75. I think that is a great deal. I mean, I don't know. I mean, I love it to get it cheaper, but when you guys can get it for $2.75 for a 6-pack of paper towels or a 12-pack of toilet paper, I think that's a pretty good deal. That's like 50% off, just shy of 50% off. But then you guys can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. Now, they just added that company to Fetch Rewards. So I ended up, it didn't take it, so I had to like fix my receipt. I feel like you have to really pay attention and correct your receipt. Now, if the price isn't, the price sometimes changes too, so I have to adjust prices, especially on my CVS receipts. But I ended up getting 42 points for each one of those, so that was a pretty good deal. So My total came to $275 is for those, and I think that's a pretty decent deal. Febreze. I love stocking up on Febreze. And one thing I really do is I like stocking up on these ones. I feel like these are not on sale as much as the canned ones. They're not really cans, but I feel like these ones I don't get as much. And I've been really, you know, keeping everything fresh and everything throughout my house. So these were 2 for $6. We had that buy one get one free coupon in the P&G that we just got in today's paper. You guys would just get these for $3. That's $1.50 a piece. It's not the greatest deal, but hey, I think that's a pretty good deal. I like to use, you know, I don't like some of those coupons going to waste, and I haven't gotten Febreze actually in a while. So I thought, why not? You know, those are something easy. You just spray it on the couch and you're good to go. Okay, I got my water with me because I talk too much and I get out of breath because of my pregnancy. But Pantene is a great deal. Now, I only had 3 Pantene coupons, and I was like, what's a better deal? Either doing the deal at CVS or Walgreens. And I thought, for me, I'm going to do the deal at Walgreens. I don't even know if I wrote down the math for, yeah, I don't even think, I don't know. But it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. I prefer to do my stuff at Walgreens because I just like, I know their system more. I like their point system a little bit better. But these are $4.79. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Now, this is a deal you guys can do all month long, I think, according to the tag. So this we can do until those coupons expire. But you guys want to buy 6 of them, okay? So you want to buy 6 Pantene shampoos and conditioners. I used to use this stuff all the time growing up as a kid. My mom, that's all she uses is Pantene. Like, she's afraid to try anything else except Pantene because that's what she grew up on. That's why I grew up on it. But you guys want to use 2 5 off of 3 coupons, okay? So 5 off of 3. You guys would pay $11.55 for 6 of them. It's an okay deal. But this is a deal where if you buy every 2 that you buy, you get 2,000 points. Well, this is a deal also where you guys can pay with points and get points. But you guys will end up getting 6,000 points because that's 2,000 times 3, 6,000. So you guys will get 6,000 points. Your total comes to $5.55 or just 92 cents a piece. I usually say shampoo and conditioner under $1 is a pretty good deal. That's what I think. You guys can probably get other cheaper prices, but I think for shampoo and conditioner for $1, technically 92 cents, I think that's a pretty good deal. So I wanted to share with you guys with that. I ended up getting the Heinz Ketchup. Now, if Running Kimono watches this video, we don't really watch each other's couponing videos, but she's going to make fun of me because she calls my husband Mr. Ketchup. Because, like, one time I bought, like, a ton of ketchup, and he's like, why the heck did you buy all this ketchup? And I'm like, why would I not buy all this ketchup when you can get ketchup for free? And then, so ever since then, she gives me crap about, you know, my husband and stuff. So I think it's kind of funny. But anyways, these are buy one, get one free. They're $4.29 a piece. That's a lot of money for ketchup. I would never spend that much. But for buy one, get one free, that's still an okay price. Again, price we don't really like to pay. But you guys would end up paying $4.29 for this anyways. But then you guys can submit a $2 rebate on Ibotta. You get $2 when you guys buy 2. So that comes out to be just $2.29 for 2 of these. That comes out to be like $1.15 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal for ketchup. But then I also hit a bonus on my Fetch Rewards. So I ended up getting 472 points. For this, that's almost, what is that? That's almost like 50 cents. Wow, 50 cents. But $2.29, I think, for ketchup is a pretty good deal, especially 2 of them for $1.15. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on the ketchup. Now make sure you guys look at your dates, because I've noticed with like a lot of food items, especially at Walgreens, sometimes their dates expire pretty soon, but these don't expire till 2020. So got some time with that. Ended up getting the Bic razors. Now I wanted to do this deal last week, but the store I went to that I usually don't go to on Sundays didn't have anything. But I wanted to do this deal, and they did this deal again. These are $3.99, and it's buy one get one 50% off. Now I did have a $3 off digital coupon that I had clipped to my card. So you guys would end up paying $2.98 for these razors, but then you guys will get 3,000 points when you buy 2 of them, making them free. Now this is a deal also where you guys can pay with points and get points. So definitely wanted to share with you guys with that deal. I did the Kleenex deal. Kleenex. Now these are buy one get one 50% off. These are $1.99. You guys want to use 2 $1 off coupons is what I had on my Scott's website. So if you guys don't have those, have a different email and sign up for something else. I don't know why. I have 3 different emails that I use through the Scott's website to print off coupons. So that email that I used had dollar off coupons for these. So I ended up using dollar off coupons. I think it was $1 off. Why am I not thinking it's not $1? It might be 50 cents. And if it's 50 cents, then I can't count, because I don't know why. It was $1. No, they're 50 cents. I screwed up. I'm sorry. They're 50-cent coupons. But you guys would get this for $1.98 for these. But then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta and a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making these just $1. So you guys will get these for 50 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty decent deal if you guys are interested in something like that. The next deal I got is the Nutella. I haven't gotten Nutella in forever, but on the Smart Source website, you guys can print off $1 off coupon. You guys would pay $2.99, or you guys would get this for $2.99 for this, but then you guys use that $1 off coupon from the Smart Source website. You guys would just get this for $1.99, but there is a $1 rebate on checkout 51. Now there's a 50-cent rebate for Walmart on checkout 51 and a $1 rebate for select web retailers on the other options. So just giving you guys a heads up. Don't want to drop the Nutella. I don't like Nutella. My husband loves this stuff. But you guys would end up getting this for just 99 cents. So I think 99 cents for some spread is a pretty decent deal if you guys are interested in some Nutella. And then the last deal I got is this speed stick deal. Now, funny thing is, my stores, well, the store that I usually shop at on Sundays does not have ladies speed stick. So I have to get my ladies speed stick at CVS, and I get the men's speed stick at Walgreens when they do these kind of deals, because it's just weird. But these are $3.19. They're buy one, get one 50% off. You guys want to use 2 50-cent off coupons that we just got in today's paper. You guys would pay $3.78 for the both of these, but then you guys will get 3,000 points for buying 2 of them. Now this is a deal where you guys can pay with points and get points. You guys would just get these for 78 cents or 39 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal for deodorant. The cheaper, the better is my motto. But yeah, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good. I was kind of just taking my time looking for other deals, especially P&G deals, and just stuff wasn't working out in my favor. Like the Tresemme I really wanted to do, but it just wasn't the greatest deal. But I still wanted to look out for some more deals. So I don't know. I kind of want to go back to do the speed stick deal again. Probably won't have to get more Cadbury, and I'm not sure about the Scots, so we'll see about that. But my total came to $28.27. Now, please keep in mind, I get an employee discount. Some of you guys like it, some of you guys don't. It's just, that's the way it is. My husband works for the company. He's been working for the company since I met him. So I just take advantage of it so I can show you guys more deals. But I do get a lot of other things other than just couponing with a discount. So we get food and stuff. But I ended up receiving $12 in points, 6,000 points for the Pantene. That was 2,000 times 3. I ended up getting 3,000 for the Bic and then 3,000 for the Speed Stick. I got $3 back with Ibotta. That's $2 for the ketchup and then 50 cents times 2 for the Kleenex wipes. And then I'll get $1 back from checkout 51, making my total just $12.27. That comes out to be just 23 items at 53 cents a piece. Now, a lot of you guys watched my Catalina update video that I posted the other day. So I'm waiting for back from them. But otherwise, a lot of you guys are telling me you like doing the points better than the register rewards. I do like the register rewards because then you don't pay so much out of pockets because those are considered a form of payment. But everybody is having problems with the register rewards. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, and everybody's liking the points because it's easy for the stores just to give you points. So I did do an update video, and I will wait until I get a physical register reward from the company, so you guys will have to wait and see what happens on that. But make sure you guys check out that updated video. But other than that, I hope you guys have a joyful day. We just had an ice storm, so the roads were somewhat cleared from this storm that we had, but I'm just sick of winter. This is like one of the worst winters I've had in a long time. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.